Sanibona guys. So manje senza question 4 for iphepha lango 2025 November. So u4.1. Remember mawenza question 4. Question 4 4.1 have in first order bese u4.2 have in the second order. Always into kanje, which means u4.1 you have to find ukuthi wathole wonke ama-marks. Mhlawumbe into engakubhayizisa mhlawumbe kuzoba i-second order when it comes to ama-exponent when the right hand side is equals to i-exponent. So but sizoyifunda lana asizela ngizojajana, but manje in this case u4.1 was saying ukuthi ln x dy all over dx plus y all over x, it is equals to 2 cos x. So manje remember ukuthi first order, you have the coefficient of dy all over dx must be plus 1, which means here we must not have anything a coefficient but ubani plus 1. Bese your p it is equals to the coefficient of y. Basically the q it is equals to the right hand side. So if you come across you have y on the right hand side, you have to transpose umlethe ngapha so that sizokhona ukuba in a coefficient of ubani p. So in this part you know actually the particular formula yakhona kuzoba ubani y into e to the power of p dx, it is equals to the integral of q multiplied by e to the power of p dx, or dx here plus c. This is in a particular formula yakhona, but it's fine. So this is in a particular formula yakhona le. So ekugcineni you have to have ukuthi ube nento enakanje. So which means here dy dx wethu uzoba ne coefficient of 1 kanjani ngokuthi senzeni si divide the both sides by ubani uln x loya. So in this case if we divide ubani uln x divide uln dy dx all over uln x, sizothola ubani dy all over dx into esizoyithola. If si divide uy divide by uln x kanje, this thing is the same as uy all over x multiplied by uy all over uln x, which means we will end up having ubani uy all over x multiplied by uln x, which means le part le izongena laphaya. Bese le yaka 2 cos it's simple because sizoyenza njengaleya part leya, just ukuthi manje yona angeke cancel anything. So which means we'll have ubani dy all over dx plus uy all over x multiplied by x, x multiplied by uln x, ile part leya esiyenze laphaya, it is equals to 2 cos x all over uln x. So mase then our part of dy dx wethu, it is coefficient ekhona manje 1, then we have the parts. So the parts of remember ngithini up, it is the coefficient of ubani y, layer parts layer y asi-include, which means the integral of up dx is equals to the integral of 1 all over x multiplied by uln x. If here we had minus, we remember beso add nakhona minus ilona i-coefficient ihamba nesign nakhona. So uy wakhona uyenzani uyasala because thini uyi-coefficient ka y. So in this case masichubeka lana sizothini, let u it is equals to uln x. Why? Because uln x masimdifferentiate uzosinika ubani, uzosinika u-x. uzosinika u-1 over x, then mase so-interchange uzosinika u-x, then the x lo uzokwenzeni uzokhansela laphaya. Ngamanye amagama ngichaza ukuthi uma u-differentiate u-du over dx kuzoba ubani 1 all over x. So mase so simplify, you will have something like x multiplied by u-du. Bheka ukuthi why ngisho kanjalo. So which means here u-dx was supposed to be u1 all over, was supposed to be okay, so I think ngichaze in a simple way like this. So if we have u-dx all over u-du, it is equals to 1 all over, when we do what? We do a cross multiply. That part is izothatha ubani? U-x multiplied by u-du, then this izothatha ubani? U-dx. That's why we're having in lento ena kanje. So-ke masichubeka la since we have in i-value i-value leso i-substitute lapha ku-dx, which means our integral of u1 all over u-x multiplied by u. Remember sithini? Ulin x wethu ubani uzoba ubani? U, which means our dx now becomes ubani? U-x du. I hope satholana asikakalahleki. So in this part, this one will cancel this one because this one is in the denominator and this one is in the numerator by the fact which the denominator corner it's 1. Then again, since you have something like this, which means we'll end up having like du kanjena, then more integrator here you will have one ulin u plus uc. So our lin u plus uc, our lin u plus uc, remember ukuthi u samele simsubstitute, then our lin into ulin x, our u is equals to lin x plus uc. Then sofuna ubani? I-value of e to the power of p dx. Remember sicale ngobani? Ngo-p dx ilona yakhona. Then the value of e to the power of p dx, remember the integral of p dx is equals to bani? Is equals to this thing, which means ile nto leyo uzobe substitute laphaya. Ngamanye amagama sizothi soba no ln into uln x. Then ke mase sofika kule part le, remember ukuthi here ln have in i-base e laphaya or invisible, which means this part and this part will cancel each other bese sisala ngobani? Ngaleya part leya kuphela, which means our answer yethu esele ubani? Kuzoba uln x. Uln x. So this thing bayibiza i-Euler method, bayibiza i-Euler method. If you can research about it or get in more information about it, you will understand why I'm saying with this part and this part they will cancel out. Okay, so masichubeka, our general formula says y multiplied by e p dx, it is equals to uq multiplied by e p dx plus uc. And uq wethu asinayi, just nokuthi masiceda ukuthola lona, bhala lona i-general formula, then you will continue calculating using it. Then our value of y we don't have, bese basiphe no, not basiphe, then this value it is what ile part layer, which means we will have ubani? Uln x, it is equals to u2 cos x. Remember to call uq, it is the right hand side of e, it is the value on the right hand side, which means multiply by bekumele kube no divide uln x because we divide everything here, if you remember. Then sathi simultiply ngobani manje? Simultiply ngo-e to the power of integral of p dx, which means kuzoba uln x. Then this ln x and this one will cancel out. So here we have dx will cancel out. So in this part here, which means we are left with ubani? Y multiplied by uln x into u2 cos x dx. So then y multiplied by uln x, it is equals to u2. Remember this is a coefficient, kumele siyenzeni? Silethe ngapha, which means we have cos x multiplied by u-dx. So ke u-y wethu into x uln x 2 must integrate, of course, becomes ubani? Positive sin x plus uc. So lo c loya amfaki until you get rid of in the integral sign. So here they did abagcinanga laphaya, but they gave us in ama-values. They said if they said if x it is equals to pi all over 3 when y it is equals to 4, which means in this part here, in this part you do what? Mawufika here sifuna ini ivalue ka-c, because you will substitute where there is y and you will substitute where there is x ama-values wakhona. So in this case we have 4 multiplied by ulin into pi over 3, 2 sine into pi all over 3 plus c. So in this case, remember, put your calculator in radians. Angazi radians ubhala kanjani, I hope right, but into kumele uyenze ileyo ebalulekile ukuthi put lento ukuthi kwini calculate yakho kuma-radians masisu-calculate la. Then the value of c it is equals to 4 ln pi 3, because because uyathatha lokhu kungapha, lokhu konke sikwenzani, sikuletha ngapha, which means we will have -2 sine into pi over 3. Then ke masewuphanje lana we will have 4 so -2 sine pi all over 3. Then we get i-value ewubani, ewu-negative 1,548, because no 75, yeah, it's 8. Then ke awushiyi kanje, you go back and substitute kuphi laphaya the value of ubani u-c, which means you will have ubani u-y ln x is equals to 2 sine x minus u1 all over 548 kanje. Then which means in u4.1 wakho wenzeni, sesiqedile ngayo. Then we go to ubani u4.2. So 4.2 sithini 4.2 becomes in the second order. Most of my papers engisawabonile these things ziyalandelana kanje, which means 4.1 is first order, then 4.2 is second order. So in this part here, then the given problem for u4.2, it was u1 over 3 into d squared y all over dx squared minus 4 into dy all over dx minus 5y into e to the power of x negative x to the power of negative x. So ile part le engithi inokupha abantu inkinga lapha ku 4.2 ukuthi bangathola ama marks wonke, ile part le enokupha abantu inkinga. So in this part here, if your e to the power of ax is part of OIC, which means this thing kuba yini, which means you will have ubani OIC, it's part of OIC, which means your yp it is equals to cx multiplied by e to the power of ax. Basically, if e to the power of ax it is not part of OIC, which means your yp it is equals to ce to the power of ax. I will tell you what do they mean about this thing. What do they mean? Simplify this part. Why? What do they mean about this statement? So which means in this part we do in cross multiply for only 1 over 3 pair. such that or you can multiply both sides by ubani u3 such that sizokhona ukukhansela loya 1 over 3. So uma multiply both sides in this case uzoba nobani no d squared y all over u-dx squared minus u4 u-dy all over u-dx minus u5y it is equals to u3e to the power of x, because senzeni simultiply both sides by ubani u3, which means we let now within sithi let u-dy all over u-dx is equals to u-r. So in this case, which means we will have ubani u-r squared, because this is the second derivative, then is r squared minus u4r, this is dy dx minus u5y not u5y, because manje sesenza complementary y, yeah. So which means we don't have to include ubani y loya anymore, and even right hand side becomes ubani u0, which means here mawubheka le part leya does it iya-factorizeka masibheka laphaya. This is ama-factors wangapha sino 1 and u5, so here we have 2 negative, bese these things results ubani ku-negative 4. I think here, yeah, ama-factors wakhona ilawa, so these things result ubani ku-negative 4, which means this thing yenzani ama-factors wakhona khona, which means we have u-negative 5 plus u1, then our r it is equals to negative 1, or our r it is equals to u5. So-ke naku la sizonichazela khona ukuthi why lama statements lawaya they mean ukuthi if A is part of YC. Remember ukuthi ithi lento le YC it is equals to, I think remember ukuthi ku formula sheet yakho you have these formulas lawa athi y it is equals to ae to the power of ax rx, I think it's rx, rx plus r plus up, not a, plus up e to the power of rx, only if r1 it is not equals to r2, which means in this case r1 no r2 they are not equal, then which means we'll use this part layer, which means so no a to the power of e to the power of negative r negative 1 kuzoba x mawusubstitute laphaya, then sithi plus b e to the power of 5x, then we have our r layer u5. So masibheka lapha the right hand side it is equals to 3e to the power of negative x, and then mina ngithini if u e to the power of rx or ax is part of YC, ngichaza ukuthi mangithi is part of YC, ngichaza ukuthi if you see if you see this thing ngapha kule part le, which means your yp it is equals to cx multiplied by e to the power of rx laphaya njengoba ubona, which means my y it is equals to cx multiplied by e to the power of negative r. Sithatha leya part leya, not leya lamalona lawaya, it is equals to negative r. Then again we do what, we differentiate the part layer such that sizo-substitute from ubani, sizo-substitute from a formula le abasinike yona, which u-dy all over u-dx it is equals to, because in this part we have ama-functions ayi-2 ahlukaniswa ahlukaniswa yi-multiplication, which means we have to ukuthi apply in the product rule. Remember ukuthi product rule ithi v multiplied by u it is equals to uv u prime plus uv prime into u, which means our value of uv kuzoba ubani ucx, then our v prime kuzoba ubani uc, then our value of u kuzoba ubani e to the power of x, our value of u prime kuzoba ubani negative e to the power of negative x. So in this part ke simplify. Yeah, simplify kuzomele sithini u-v wethu ubani u-cx, then our u prime kuzoba ubani u-negative e to the power of negative x plus u-v prime ubani u-c multiply by u-u wethu uzoba ubani u-e to the power of negative x. So in this case must simplify laphana sizoba nobani no-cx e to the power of plus u-c e to the power of negative x. Then masenze second derivative laphana sizoba nobani. So mawubheka futhi le part le seseyini kusese i-product rule, still sisebenzisa yiphi leya part, just ukuthi manje the part ehlukile yini ileya negative sign, which means mas differentiate leya part leya sizoba nobani, sizoba la here we had ubani u-negative cx, and here masi differentiate sizoba no negative c, which here we have positive lona, and here masi differentiate sizoba no negative e to the power of ex, which means in this part le uv kuzoba ubani u-negative cx multiply by u-negative, which means here sesinobani, sesino positive e to the power of x plus 1 u-negative c multiply by u-e to the power of negative x, which means sizoba nobani no cx e to the power of negative x minus u-c e to the power of negative x. This is i-result yakubani khohle differentiate le part leya. So mase so differentiate leya part leya uzoba nobani no negative c to the power of u-c x kanje. Remember ukuthi our c, it is a constant in this case, which means here sizoba no minus c to the power of x, then we result in ukubani ku-c e to the power of negative x minus 2 into c e to the power of negative x. So then ke remember ukuthi i-formula yethu beyithini, u-d squared y all over u-dx squared minus u-4 dy all over u-dx minus u-5 y, it is equals to u-3 to the power of negative x. Ile thina sisimplifyile, which means la kuno dy dx khona it's either by 2 or y, we substitute. So in this case for u-dy dx ile part leya u-d squared y all over u-dx squared ile part leya, which means we'll have ubani u-cx sizoba no cx multiply by u-e to the power of negative x, or not plus, minus 2 into c to the power of negative x. Iphathi kabani leyana? Iphathi yaka second derivative minus u-4 into ubani ile part leya, which kuzoba ubani u-negative cx multiply by u-e to the power of negative x plus u-c to the power of e minus u-x minus u-5 into y wethu bekubani, it was u-cx multiply by u-e to the power of negative x, it is equals to ubani u-3 e to the power of negative x. Ile part leya yonke le substitute manje. So in this case sizoba nobani mas distribute sizoba nobani no cx multiply by u-e to the power of negative x minus u-2 cx minus x minus u-4 cx multiply by e to the power of negative bese siba no negative 4 ce to the power of x minus u5 cx, not ce, cx multiplied by e to the power of negative x. Sorry, ngathi mistake. This is negative, which means here sizoba no plus. So mas group enye into ne, once simplify kanje, these ones ezothi ezino cx e to the power of rx must cancel out, which means kwasala ethi cx e to the power of something. Ayishayi buyele emuva uyobheka imistake yakho ukuthi uyenzile, because once yasala, which means that thing which ithi kune mistake oyenzile phezulu, go back and check your mistake, which means in this part we have u5 u5x e to the power of x plus, not plus, minus loya 5x loya, yabo 5x negative 5cx e to the power of negative x minus, not minus, plus u4 e to the power of negative x minus u4. Sengiyabona ukuthi why this one angithi leya part le sihlanganisene lapha, which means lena besiyikhansela naleya sesiyikhanselile, which means we are left with negative 2ce minus ux minus u4ce minus ux, it is equals to u3e to the power of negative x, even here 3e to the power of negative x. So mangabe sobona ukuthi this one it cancels this one, which we are left with this part layer, which will layer kuzoba ubani u-negative 6ce to the power of negative x is equals to e to the power of negative x, not e to the power of, is 3e to the power of negative x. Then this part and this part will cancel out because we divide both sides by ce to the power of x. Then kahlela sifuna ivalue ka c, which means this part naleya part izokhanselana, then siba no negative 6c, it is equals to 3. Then maso no 3 minus into divide by ulona, this part uzoba nobani, uzoba no c, then c is equals to negative 1/2. Then this is the value of ubani u-c. Then awakaqedi kusamele senzeni, kusamele siye ku-yp, it is equal to, remember ukuthi u-y wakho it was ubani u-cx multiplied by e to the power of negative x. Ula kumele wenzeni, usubstitute khona laphaya, loya c wakho loya, which means uzoba nobani negative 1/2 x multiplied by e to the power of x kanje. This one kuzoba ubani ivalue kabani yaka-yp. Then u-y it is equals to uyc plus uyp. Then which means we'll have a e to the power of negative x plus b e to the power of 5x minus 1/2x multiplied by e to the power of negative x laphaya. Then which means your particular solution so uyitholile yonke leya, yiyo leya part leya, your particular solution yiyo leya. Asibonge ngakhohle ukufollowa lapho nokusubscribe, ulike, uphinde ushare nabangani bakho futhi abathanda ukufunda njengawe. Asibonge.